Hi, I'm Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be telling you how to assemble your Herman Miller Mirra chair that you purchased from crandalloffice.com. Let's get started. It's a quick and easy install. There's only a couple of parts: the casters, gas cylinder, base, and chair frame. All right, so the first thing we have to do is take the base and flip it upside down. Now you're going to take the casters and remove them from your bag, and we'll install each of these casters one at a time. So they should just pop right into place. And all right, so next we're going to take this and we're going to flip it upside down so the base is upright. We're going to take our gas cylinder with the big black side down going into the hole. Okay, so with the chair base, or with the cylinder in the chair base, now we're going to take the actual chair, flip it like this. As you can see, the cylinder will go right into the hole. I like to keep a little bit of pressure to make sure that the cylinder does not fall out. But now that's all good. And then you're just going to sit in it to seat that cylinder. And you should be good to go. Make sure you test the gas cylinder. Make sure it's going up and down. You should be all set. Thanks for watching this video on how to assemble your Herman Miller Mirra chair that you purchased from crandalloffice.com. If you like this video, give it a quick like and hit subscribe below. It's going to help us continue to bring content to you guys on a weekly basis. So thanks for watching, thanks for your purchase, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.